In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-check punctuation in a Microsoft Word the easy way, so you can make sure your documents are clear, correct, and professional without manually checking every sentence. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer and load the document you want to work on. Once your document is open, go to the top left corner and click on the File tab. From there, scroll down and select Options. This will open the Word Options window. Next, click on Proofing from the menu on the left-hand side. This is where all spelling, grammar, and punctuation settings are located. Now, under the section called When Correcting Spelling and Grammar in Word, make sure the option Check Spelling as You Type is checked. Then also check Mark Grammar Errors as you type. These two options allow Microsoft Word to automatically detect punctuation issues while you're typing. After that, click on the Settings button next to Writing Style. A new window will appear with a list of grammar and style rules. Scroll through the list and make sure punctuation-related options are enabled. These may include items like punctuation conventions, comma usage, missing punctuation, and other grammar checks depending on your version of Word. Once you've enabled the settings you want, click OK. Then click OK again to apply all the changes. Now, as you type, Microsoft Word will automatically highlight punctuation errors using blue or red underlines. You can simply right-click on the underlined text to see suggestions and apply the correct punctuation instantly. For an even quicker check, you can go to the Review tab and click on Spelling and Grammar. This will scan your entire document and guide you through punctuation corrections step by step. And that's it. You now know how to auto-check punctuation in Microsoft Word quickly and easily, helping you write cleaner and more polished documents. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.